Yeah, hello. What's up? All right. Everyone even here? I don't even know.
What up, G?
Hey, there you are. Hello. Tonight, I've been wondering about what to do for a while. I wasn't sure. But then I thought, hey, might be fun to try and make like a parametric reverb filter for sound stuff, because that will be useful to have, and also something that I've been meaning to look into for a long time, but never really got the time to, or felt confident in doing. So I thought, hey, might as well just try it. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. We're gonna try and make a reverb filter. We're gonna start out pretty simple, but first I need to get all the scaffolding set up. Sounds pog. Oh god. Right. So we're gonna make a virtual, right? Yeah. So, right. So we're gonna use CL Mix and Harmony to drive this stuff. But we're gonna write it in Lisp because I'm lazy, and I think we can do it with even with like latency stuff and whatever. Okay. So we need to implement these functions here. We have... Why isn't this stuff implemented? I thought that was implemented. Oh, it is here. Okay, that's fine. No need to worry about that stuff then. Okay. Don't think I need to implement info either. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Cool. Cool. Yeah, I think that should just work. Alright. So let's just file it in. And then I need to remember how to set up which effects to use in the pipeline. Effects, where does that apply? Effects. Connect. Okay, that applies there, and then it does that. Okay, cool. So I should be able to go in here, or already set up start. Make, and then effects. As I forget what the effect segment. Okay. So we should be able to just say. So that should be enough. Right. All right. But before we do that, we want to just make it actually pass through stuff without doing anything at all. So for that, we're gonna need to do with buffer transfer. I think that's Read. Yeah. From... Need to... Yeah, I'm a bit... I think I do need to implement the info. Yes, okay. In the very least, we need to specify in inputs 2, max inputs 2, outputs 2. And I think the rest is done automatically. I'm not too sure anymore. This is a bit of an annoying thing to do, isn't it? Data. I think it's just it's a binding as well, though, isn't it? Ah, God, I don't remember a lot of this stuff. Yes, it is. Fine. Gonna copy paste this for left and right. Keep wanting to use short names. What do you not like about this? Finish. Oh, right. Okay, there we go. Oh, now we have a function that does absolutely nothing except just copy the sound samples from the input buffers to the output buffers. And there's a lot of... It looks a lot more complicated than it really should. Because buffers in LibMix are a bit involved to allow variable processing speeds on both ends of the buffer. Yeah. We can simplify that, I'm sure. Okay. Nothing to do here. Yeah. One thing I do know I'm gonna need is delay lines. So one of the ways you do reverb is, or like the basic idea is to just put the audio samples into a buffer and then rotate through that buffer, basically a ring buffer, and then just write the new sample in there, and then or first mix in the old sample at that position and then write the new one that's coming in there, and that achieves a delay. So that's one of the basic building blocks, and then you combine multiple like different delays in parallel or in sequence, and you do all sorts of fun stuff. So I kind of want to get those arrays set up already ahead of time, so I think I'm gonna do that now. Delays, or put it like that. Init form. Let's say we want to have stereo, and we're gonna need 5 for each, so let's put 10, sure. Lines. And then, or actually maybe, and each line is going to need an index as well, so we're going to need an array of 2 times the sizes. It's going to be a T array, which is not great, but whatever. Can optimize stuff later. And then loop for sizes. I from 0 by 2. Setf, arf lines. That's going to be the index, which always starts at 0, and then arf lines. And I is going to be the array of the size with element type, and that's going to be that. And what is it complaining about? Selecting with list. Oh, right. There we go. Okay. All right. We're gonna make a delay line of. This is gonna be sample rate dependent, so we're gonna need to have that configurable at some point. Let's just do that now. Why not? Access lines. The sample rate default. I think we have a default. Yes, we do. Okay. Set of lines. I think that's right, isn't it? Yes, it is. Is it? Oh god, I'm bad at math. Yes, okay, good. Jesus Christ. Boy. Alright. Should also actually do this. No, this is fine. Okay. So we're gonna do a delay of like 0. What? That's a good delay count. 0.4, 0.41, I guess. So like this, maybe. I think you also want to have like sort of prime number-y kind of things. So maybe I need to do something more complicated than that. I don't know. I know these are not all prime numbers. Fuck it. Let's just do it like this for now. Okay, so we have 2 delay lines per channel, and each are slightly different, so that channels aren't exactly identical. 6 arguments, but once. It's bullshit. There we go. Okay. Good. Now we should have the delay lines initialized. Fantastic. We'll probably do that in start instead, actually, because the sample rate can change. I forgot about that part. Whatever, for now it's fine. I think we are safe on 44.1 kilohertz. Okay, so mix, simple server, effects, mix, reverb. Value is not of that. Okay, right. Or not. Okay. Please don't crash. Okay, it's running. Good. Now I need to actually test it. So let's see. Sure. That's fucking loud as shit, but it works. So good. Which one is it? That one. Alright, sorry about that. No. Okay. And I can assure you that our segment is doing stuff. There you go. It is indeed processing. Great. Alright. So, okay. You want another? There you go. All right. What is the right. Okay, so we're gonna grab our delay lines here. Delay lines. And now we need to add a processing in here, and we're gonna just delay lines 0. So we're gonna start with the simplest possible thing, which is just one delay line and nothing else. So in order to do that, we are gonna read out the sample that we have in the input. Input, and then we are gonna get the reverb. Also, this should be... Right, no, we can't do it like that. I'm stupid and a dummy and asshole idiot. Oh, hold on. With line equals ref lines. Plus 0 times line. Okay, so we're grabbing the index and the line. Reverb is the line IDX, and then we store the current input in there. Then we advance the IDX, mod, and modulate it so it wraps around. Length line. Okay, and then we store it back. Okay, good. And now we can actually store the output. To J. And here we add the input to the attenuated output. I think. I'm not sure. Hold on. Actually, do we? I think we add it back first before we... Yeah, I think we store the output and wrap that back rather than the input. So let's get that like this. So output is going to be input plus reverb times, let's say, an attenuation factor of 7? I don't know. I have no idea what's good, so we're gonna try it like this. Crash a few elements in what? RFD lines. Oh. Parents. Not of type number. What? Confused. Oh, I'm a fucking dumbass. Okay. Okay. Not really noticing anything. Maybe the attenuation is too high. Okay, yeah, definitely hearing something there, but not really delayed. What if we just do the reverb? So wait, that doesn't work. Why am I not noticing a delay? The delay here should be significant enough. So hold on, it's just... Oh, wait, what? Why is it only 35 samples? What the fuck? Oh, I think I fucked up. Yeah, this shouldn't be there. I'm a dumbass. Okay. Also, this is not... Could have adapted this stuff. Fade. God damn it. Okay. Did that do anything? Okay, yes, it's long now. Good. But I'm not hearing anything. I'm not noticing any difference whatsoever. I set this as 0. Okay, just loud. Yeah, I'm not noticing any echoey effect at all. Why? What am I doing wrong? What am I being stupid about? So we update the LIDX. Oh, I see, because, yeah, okay. Right. Right. So we need to do that afterwards. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Yeah. Now you hear it. Listen to that. All right. Sick. Okay. Let's see if we do the shorter one, so that's index 4 and index 5. Okay, cool. Sounds like shit, but all right, we got something. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is one element is to add in the negative of the original source to the delayed output. So after we do this, here we add the input times some negative gain. Like that, I guess. What is the difference? I don't hear anything. I'm also not understanding how that should make any difference at all. Because that's like... We add... No, okay, it needs to be... What? I'm confused by this diagram I'm looking at. Let me show you real quick. This diagram here. So this is what we had before, right? Basically, kind of. We take the sound, we delay it, and then we multiply it and add it back in, and that gets fed out, kind of. And here what they're doing is the same, except they also take the negative of the gain and add that after the delay. So that some So I guess we would have to subtract that from 1 minus the current idea. I think. Achieve the same effect? I'm not sure. So instead of this, which makes no sense at all, we would have to line 1 minus x mod x line or rather wait, no. That would just be, would that be? I'm confused. I'm not sure if this is right. It doesn't sound noticeably different to me. Yeah, I don't know. I don't understand this quite. How I'm supposed to implement this. Because this is like the way it is in the diagram is kind of like opposite of what I'm doing. Or rather, I'm like... Yeah, this is confusing me a lot. Ugh. Annoying. All right. Before I focus further on trying to do that, let's try to instead do this with multiple delay lines. So instead of one line number here, we're gonna go through a bunch. So gonna get the input. So we're going through, for each sample, we're going through all the lines. And I'm sure this is not inefficient, but I don't give a shit right now. Go through all the lines, and then we... Actually, I'm not sure... So we take the input... Because it's gonna... Like, I'm wondering how to store this. Should each of the lines contain everything from all the other lines? Guess so, right? So we need to have 2 loops. One where we first compute it and then where we store it back in. Okay. Yeah, we definitely need different like attenuation factors as well per line, which I don't have a way of expressing right now. That's annoying. Leading unreachable code. And here we have the offset of 0. Here the offset of 1. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah. Fuck off. Okay, so we're gonna gonna store an attenuation factor as well, okay? And we're just gonna make it annoying. And I think I'm gonna make this like this. sizes. Delay lines like that. And then we're gonna do fine. Okay. And I guess we should attenuate closer ones more than, or longer ones more than shorter ones. No, shorter ones more than longer ones. So maybe a 0.5. These two, and then a 0.3. And a 0.2 or something like that. I don't know. I'm just making shit up. Okay. So this is going to be by 6. LIDX. My alignment. LIDX. There we go. Ah. I'm dumb. What? What do you mean? That should be... Hmm? What? Wait, didn't it? Why did it not update? Oh, wait. Right. Because I'm stupid. Okay. Let's try that again. Well, that sounds positively shitty. Yeah. Thank you. Oh no. How the fuck do we do this? I think... what if I... So I should... Alright? What do you mean? What did I change? I don't think I changed anything. Huh? It should be the same. I just made a different variable for it. What the fuck? Why is this not... So take the output, I bind it to the input, and then we just modify the output by increasing it with the attenuation, and we feed it back. What's the difference now? Huh? I'm very confused. Oh, there's no difference. I just never stored the fucking 0 back in. So we're still in this shitty loop of this. There we go. Thank you. Okay. So I think if I now multiply or add the input back in here, generated by something like this, maybe that'll be less shitty. I think the 0.5 factor is just still too strong. Let's just put that in this for now. Also, what the fuck did I do? Why is this? Oh, the left side wasn't. Eh. Oh, right. What's happening now? Oh god. Please. Emacs is freezing. Definitely fading out, but I'm not noticing anything different at all. What happens if I do this? Just less pronounced. I wonder if I need to like apply a low pass filter or something like that. This definitely does not sound good at all. Yeah, I feel like I'm still not understanding this all pass filter thingy correctly. But I definitely need to like longer delay lines definitely should have more of a low pass filter going on. Because like higher frequencies get absorbed, so I forget. I do have a filter already. Pass frequency pass. What is this? But obviously, if I want to use this within our own segment here, I can't use that. Most of this is boilerplate anyway. Okay. So what do we do here? Take these variables out. And then we store to, okay. Okay. Where are these computed? Low pass init. Where is that? No definitions found. Thank you. Is that in here? No, of course it's not. That will be too easy. Where the fuck is that? Oh. Uh-huh. Right, of course. Just too much fucking data to store for this garbage. Maybe I should make a struct instead. So I think I'm gonna do that. Destruct a line. Line. I don't think I can reference arguments within the constructors for the fields, right? Type simple array, single float storm. Team. 0. Probably make that like that. That should not be read-only. And then we have the attenuation, which is single float. And now we have the low pass data, which is K factor, A's and B's and X's and Y's. Okay. I'm just gonna stuff that all in a one big array, I guess. Make array. That's 5. Okay. Okay. Getting that it wants it like this instead. Ugh. Okay. I know I don't care. Make D-line lines. Okay. Okay. Seeing a lot of All right, so we're now constructing that. Cool. Right. So now instead of all this kerfuffle. Also, I just noticed, so the lines that we have right now are kind of... I don't know if this is like the way you're supposed to do it. They're kind of pseudo in parallel, kind of. Because they're all influencing each other. Or, yeah. Are they in sequence? I don't know how you define this. I think they're just in sequence, question mark. I don't fucking know. So I think I'm gonna switch this to do... Going to compute the single output by combining the input and the play line animation line by the line. And then okay. Right, so now we have the single one, and then oh wait, right, I need to actually initialize the low pass stuff here. So this is A is 10, 5 times off. What cutoff frequency do we want? Just gonna set a default one, or it's annoying. Let's just say 1000 hertz for now. Okay. 2. That's 2. Okay, is A2 1 plus A2 plus S2 times A. A1 is A. Wait, this is the same. Why am I not caching that? Same fucking shit. A2, 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 S2. Okay. A. Okay. I think that's correct. Why did I think it was only 5? What the fuck? Why did I write 5? What does that actually give? Is that a double? No. Okay. Okay. All right. It's looking okay. Not sure if a negative value is expected there. So that's fine. All right. Good. Might as well do it like this. Right, okay. Alright, so for the long ones, we're gonna set the cutoff relatively low. Maybe like 500. And then for the other ones, we're gonna make it bigger. Cool. Cool. Very cool. Okay. Right. So we did that. And then mix just goes through. And I think that's just the inline of this, yes. Yeah. Why does it do that? It does the... Oh, because of the loop. Okay. Right. Okay. Be annoying. Plus, okay. I think the order was ABXY. Yes. That's 3 times Ah. 5. And then minus. Okay, and then instead of why am I blanking out? Next one is it? Okay, so we shift. Is that right? No, that's not right. That is better. And oh. Okay, great. So now we have that. And then we store it back in. Here F lines I. Yep. No. No, wait. Delay line. Line. So we store that filter back, and then we update the okay. Blah, blah, blah. That should stay the same. Recompile crash. Thank you. Sample rate is unbound. I don't care about the sample rate. What is this? Number. Why is it number? Input. Oh, right. Better way around. Okay. No crash. Good. Stop resetting. Good. Okay. Let's hear it. Wow, it's fucking nothing. So is the filter just 0? Is that what's happening? Oh wait, the output is never set. Wow, great. Oh no. What am I what am I doing wrong with the fucking... I'm sure it's the low pass. But if I do this, it's probably... Oh my god. Barrage. Why is that so loud? Oh, I think I know why. It's because of this. No, wait. That shouldn't make a difference. Yes, it is. So. Output. Back. Okay. Now, why is the fucking low pass so fucked up? Complete garbage. Oh, fuck me. Okay, let's go over this again. So it's pi cut off over sample rate. Okay. Nice voice crack, by the way. So tangents. Okay. A squared. 2 square root. Okay. And now this reciprocal, which is the same. Is it really the same, or did I make that up? Made a change here, didn't I? Didn't I? Wait, I didn't? What? Okay, so it is literally the same. Okay. So, A2, 2 times A2 minus 1. 1 minus S2 times A plus A2. Okay. No, this is the same. So these are the A factors, B's, X, Y's. Okay. That's correct. I really hate that this is like counter order of storage. Shut up, Jesus. Is 0 A B X Y, and we add together K times S input, then K times B and X, 3 and 5, yes, plus K times B and X, right? Why are you always multiplying that K in there instead of factoring that out? That's confusing me. Seems like a waste. I doubt numerical stability is going to make a fucking difference for this. Oh, this is weird. I know this low pass stuff works though. Like, I've used it before and it's fine. But I don't know if I'm like using cutoff frequencies that are too low and it's freaking out because of that, or if something else is going weird numerically. Shift F is correct. So this all seems like the right thing. I don't know. So if I set the frequencies of these to be a bit higher, does that like fix anything? Feel crusty as all fuck. If we just make one delay line for now. Can't tell what's going on, but I don't want to interrupt the theme. Honestly, the easiest way of actually doing this for Kandria in specific is probably using like a LED SPA or whatever plugin that already exists and does the job right. But all right, okay. Yeah, I'm just hearing bad crackling. So if I crank this up to like 20,000, that's the max. Now we're at like and it's still fucking shitty as hell. If I just okay, so hold on. So right now we should only get one pass through here for every one of these. So if I just want to see what happens if I only ignore all of this and just do the low pass and nothing else. ZF output low pass line, low pass line, input. Okay, right, so only low pass. Yeah, this is crusty as fuck. Is this a high pass? Is that what the problem is? What? No, that can't be right. Stop composing emails. Yeah, no, this is a... What am I doing wrong? If I reduce this, like, what is like 100 hertz anyway? Sine tone generator. Let's see here. Please have a volume slider. It does, thank God. Okay. That's 100 hertz. Okay. All right. Okay. That's certainly something. Oh, right. We're also resetting now, so that's not going to work out. Okay. It is definitely numbing things, but it's also fucking crusty as shit. Hmm. Also think it can do a trick here to only make this eval once. Cons. Destructive function. Fuck off, SBCL. I want to do this. I really want to do. Fuck. Swears on me mum. Okay, now it's just completely fucked. What is happening? Did I, like, stop the sound server or something? Yes, I did. It crashed. Okay. Great. What? Super crusty. Hmm. There you go. Now it only does it when it needs to. Yay. This will be easier to observe if you had something longer, so let's play a music track. Apologies to Mikkel in advance for completely butchering his beautiful music. I don't... anything at all. What the fuck? It is playing. What? Oh, it's just very quiet. Okay. And also not audible at all during this. Great. Man, what's the deal with this low pass? This is very small stuff. Okay. Weird. Here's something. Ah, fuck. Something about this fucking delay. Low pass is fucked up. Ah, God. Why? Alright, I guess screw the low pass. Very stupid. I think that's too long. Yeah, I feel like I just don't have the tools necessary to do this, really. Yeah, if I can't even get the low pass filter working, it's not gonna look good. Right. Audio programming is very confusing. Like, every time I try to understand anything at all, I just don't. Okay. A true all pass is not just that the first peak is negative and has a carefully chosen height. Adding scale NT to the scale output. Okay. Like, I've had university classes on like signal processing and all that bullshit, but it's one of those things that I never really grokked at all. It's just, yeah. Two filters put in serial and a third one in parallel with them. First, you have the serial ones, there's delay with the feedback. The other filters are just different gains. Okay, I don't understand anything, but oh god. Ah, balls. Currently just looking at various dumbass websites that make me feel stupid. Um, so here's another low pass thingy. Let's see. All right, let me try and implementing this one instead of the other one. Maybe we have more success with this.
You have to do this audio stuff because of the custom engine, right? Or is this just for fun?
I'm sure I could find like a... Or I hope I could find a LA DSPA plugin with a like permissive license for reverb that I could use. But I don't necessarily have to do that if I can find one of those. I can just use those plugins in LitMix, but kind of also just want to have my own thing because I'm dumb. So there. The new voice actor sounds too kawaii. What? What the fuck are you talking about?
The voice used for TTS.
Oh. Yeah, it seems to flip-flop between like the old voice and the new one, and it's, I don't know, I don't like the new one, it's dumb. Bad. So hold on, this filter uses an omega, which is the peak frequency, and the G, which is the peak magnitude. I don't know what the G is supposed to be. Peak magnitude. It also doesn't specify the sample rate anywhere, so I don't know. Yeah. Why did it open a new Emacs window? What the fuck? Oh boy. A lot of stuff. Ugh. Like almost every fucking time that I do a DSP, I just end up frustrated and confused and not getting anything done. Feedback delay networks. Let's see. Stanford. Can I show this somehow? Hold on. No, that's not it. Okay. This is what I'm looking at right now, just so that you don't stare at like empty code for a long time. According to this here, or wherever the fuck it was, feedback delay networks are supposed to generate good sound. Okay. The FDN can be seen as a vector feedback comb filter obtained by replacing delay line with a diagonal delay matrix. Replacing the feedback gain by the product of a diagonal matrix times an orthogonal matrix found in figure 2.8. Okay. So what are the U's? Are these just... Because they're different, they're separate U's and not different in the time domain. At least if I'm reading this schema correctly. I don't understand. Delay lines. Okay, so there's a multiple channels, individual channels. Okay, so there's a separator that divides the channels up and then combines them back again. Okay. Oh boy, oh boy. Alright. Well, reading this paper is a bit too much for a stream, I would say. But interesting. I'm gonna have to look into this. What I was trying to sort of look at as well was this here from the Near Automata sound designer. Basically what he's doing is a delay line and then something that I don't know what the fuck it is, then a low pass filter and then an all pass filter and then feeding it back. So yeah, I feel like if I could get the low pass and all pass filters working correctly, that would be fine, like as an initial approach. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, another thing he does is like up mixing a 5-channel surround to 8 channels and then mixing that back together again. I don't know. It's weird. It's not very well explained in depth at all in the talk. Like the slide is about the gist of what he says. Yeah, I don't know. Ah, lordy. Why is that low pass not working right? Because if I just end this and then create let's just do that. What's the parameters? So if I just stop this music and then... Yeah, see, that sounds fine. No fucking crust. There has to be something in how I'm... Like... There has to be something that I'm fucking up here, but I don't understand. It seems the same. I don't know. I don't get it. I'm gonna grab dinner. Alright. See you. Yeah, I'll switch to playing video games in like 10 minutes. Or maybe even sooner. But yeah, like, the integrated one in C works fine. So I don't understand... What the fuck am I doing different? Still using this same... I don't get it. God damn it. Yeah, I'm not seeing any differences. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't get it. It looks identical. I don't understand what's happening. Why is this doing it? This sucks. I really hate having to end the stream like this on no progress at all. I don't think I have an L pass filter in here already done, right? Yeah, I don't. All right. Yeah, I don't know why this isn't working when I'm doing it, unless the code seems completely identical. I can't see any differences that would matter at all. So it's probably something really small that I'm being an idiot about. And I'm not seeing it. Yeah. Maybe I'll find some time to work on it on my own and figure out what's going on. I don't know. Yeah, but I think I wish I knew what he meant by this collision rate material filter thingy here. Because as far as I understand this diagram, so the delay buffer is adjusted based on the size of the room that it gathers dynamically. And then these three here are adjusted based on... Well, this one is adjusted on based on how many rays that he's sending out to probe actually hit. And these are adjusted based on the material that's being hit to simulate different rooms. So, right, so while the game is running, it like probes dynamically to figure out the size of the room and also its properties, and adjust the reverb that way, which is a really, really nice effect. And I would like something similar. Obviously, just in 2D, but, you know. Yeah. I wish I understood what the fuck this part here was. Because these two I understand, but this one, I don't know what that is. It says nothing about it. So. Anyway, yeah. I suppose the useful bit for everyone else here is like seeing how to build up a DSP segment using lit mixed or CL mixed, and then playing around with that. So yeah, if you want to do some DSP yourself, it's not too hard to get set up. Yeah. All right. See you again next week, I hope. And yeah, have a good night. I'll still be streaming in a few minutes, but I'll be doing video games or something. I don't know. I'll see.